This guy's leg is now hard like a bark of a tree because of training. He opened a karate school in Zimbabwe and also training people to be like him. Are you training people to be like you?
Yes.
Why are you training people to be like you? I had written down over 4 questions. Do you feel pain while listening? How long does it take to be like you? Do you charge per month? Guys, this is mind-blowing.
Hasta PV.
I don't feel the pain because I started the karate in 1979 when I was 9 years.
Wow, 9 years?
9 years old.
Mamutoro amne 9 years?
Yes, ndaitorowa ndine 9 years. Ndoba ndakatanga kuti.
Ureko muse kuti for example muri grade 7 pachikoro penyu pane munhu wamaityera. Munhu maitozoti vakada kutokudeni kana kuti vakada kukubhulai motozoti I know how to do self defense.
Pachikoro pese ndaitomirira chikoro kana ungave mabhora. Kana ungave muchitiri pachikoro ndaitodefenda chikoro chedu vaitoti kana kuchendowa mabhora kana unomhanya vati aitoenda neni.
So hapana anoyozotraina karate kuti aite revenge kuzorwa vanhu vakambomurova.
Isusu hatibvumire izvozvo mukarate.
Why do you train people karate?
Chandovatraina it's for physical fitness and self-defense. To defend yourself when you are being attacked. You just defend yourself.
You're like from Bava?
Yes.
I also requested a demonstration from one of his students. Thank you. Yes. Are you training people to be like you?
Yes.
Why are you training people to be like you?
I want everyone to be like me.
Hamuna basa na kuti maskills enyu anozobatwa vanhu isozo magona.
Handina basa nazvo, ndangopa vanhu because chipo unofana kusiyira vamwe.
All right. How long does it take to be like you? Ndiite semimi palevel rama ndingada makore mangana.
Yeah, let's put it to 7-8 years. Charge per month.
How much per month?
35 years.
I then showed him the skills that I have and I asked him to rate me out of 10. Out of 10, manipa max mangani.
Ndakupa 10 iwayo.
Ndafevhewa ndanyariwa kuti ndindikiita interview. You can just comment down below other stories you want me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe. Every Monday and Friday we post the best videos in Africa.
Hasta PV.